Alrighty guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the cut settings. Otherwise, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we also do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just so you guys know, before I get into the tutorial, this is a mini series on the cut settings. We'll be going into depth into most of what the settings do in different videos. I will leave links in the description so you can actually follow along with the mini series. And then, yeah, so let's get into it. So to locate your cutter, or the settings for the cutter, you can either click this little paper icon where it looks like it's got a cutting blade, or almost looks like a pen actually, but this is more what a cutter blade looks like. You can click that, or you go to the top menu here to cutter, and then we'll go down to cut with, and then it will be the name of your model. In our case, it will be am.co.za. Select that, or open up the pop-up menu for this actual settings. Now, like I mentioned, this is just the overview. We'll go into depth about what most of these settings do. But then, so let's just start on top here. We've got the tabs. So different options will be under these tabs, what we're going to work on. We've got the general, we've got layers, cut by color, tiles, and extras. Then if we hit on the general here, which we'll be covering mostly today, just the overview, we've got your actual connection settings and that. So this will be the which cutter it is, what is it connected by, serial port, USB, so forth, which port, and then you can also refresh if it doesn't pick up your cutter there. And then under that there we also have an option for settings, and this will be the actual cutter settings. So you can go into see the individual settings for if you've got multiple cutters set up and so forth. Then we've got the test connection, where you can make sure your cutter is actually connected to your program. Then we've got here cut settings, and this will be basically the cut mode and stuff like that, which we'll also cover. You can like isolate it by selection and flip it and so forth. Then under that we've got the cutting and drawing section, because some, it's not just cutting, some machines can also draw. So you can do depth and all of those type of things. So this is basically where you can set up presets. You can set it the way you like it for that cutter and save presets. And then depending on what you're kind of doing, which job and so forth, you can adjust it accordingly. At the bottom here we've got print plus cut. So obviously if you're using like if you're making stickers or so forth, then you can actually print the print and cut it. Then got save to file, and then we've got cut. So then on the right here, this is our preview settings. So like most things, we've got zoom in, zoom out, and we can fit the design to the window and width and so forth. Got the cut order as well, and this will also be, you can see the orientation of your cutter. So at the moment we'll be pushing everything through in that direction, so vertically. You can set that up. We've done that in another video. You can actually set up the orientation of your mat so that you know which way it's going to be cutting it. Then yeah, so stay tuned for some future videos where we'll covering more in depth what these things do. Otherwise, if you guys go to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just navigate to the downloads page. Then under softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more like it. Like I mentioned earlier, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific. Then if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request a training video, and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.